Just looking for signs outside of the door that says for sale isn't enough when you're looking for any type of investment property. Real estate is a field that functions off of the economy and the circulation of cash through that economy. You will also want to make sure that you're buying in the right market. After all, you want to make sure that you're getting a good deal. The first thing you will want to do when considering the market is to see what patterns are taking place at that point in time. Typically, there will be two markets to explore. One is a buyer's market, where the cost of real estate will be lower and buyers have a larger choice of properties to pick from. And the second is a seller's market, where it will be much better to sell your home due to lower house inventory, putting properties into higher demand. These markets will hinge on the economy at that particular time and condition, which are linked to different neighborhoods in different ways. Another sign to search for with any form of real estate is the environment of the market. Communities will usually be associated with specific types of demographics and people. For example, one area may cater more to families than senior citizens, while other areas may lean towards retired farmers as opposed to college students. While there may be some diversity, it is typical that a specific class of people, example, middle class versus lower income, will tend to congregate in certain markets and be associated with the real estate prices of that market. If you know the demographics of an area, you will also be able to tell when is the best time to purchase a property in that market. If you're able to link the different marketing trends to your real estate goals, then it simply becomes a matter of time before you find exactly the property you want. By observing and proper researching, you can be certain to find exactly what you need for your real estate investments.